This quick start shows you how to install the Wazuh Central components on the same host using our installation assistant. You can check our installation guide for more details and other installation options. Wazuh is a security platform that provides unified XDR and SIEM protection for endpoints and cloud workloads. The solution is composed of a single universal agent and 3 central components: the Wazuh Server, the Wazuh Indexer, and the Wazuh Dashboard provides unified XDR and SIEM. 1. Download Virtual Appliance OVA. 2. Import the file in VirtualBox and start the virtual machine. 3. The default Wazuh CLI credential is shown as username, Wazuh user, password, Wazuh. 4. The default Wazuh CLI credential is shown as username, Wazuh user, password, Wazuh. 5. Enable and start the Wazuh Manager service. System till daemon reload. System till enable Wazuh Manager. System till start Wazuh Manager.